Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'll be sharing with you my laundry routine. We are a family of 4 and we can have a lot of laundry. We have 2 girls and they can get messy. I hope you enjoyed this video and pick up some tips along the way. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. So let's get to it. I did this laundry over the course of 3 days because I had a bunch of stuff to do in between. The first thing I like to do is collect all the clothing or all the dirty stuff that needs to be washed, and then go ahead and sort through them. So what I'm doing now is just separating Adriana and Abriana's clothes because I don't wash them together. I wash them separate, and then I go through the remainder of my clothes, which is for myself and my husband, and I put them in whites, lights, darks, and then put the linens and the towels separate. In this video I did 8 loads and it took me 3 days to complete the cycle. I did it over the course of 3 days, as I said before, because I had stuff to do in between, so I wasn't like consistent. I like to do the kids' laundry first before doing anything else. I don't use a lot of stuff when I'm doing my laundry. All I use is the laundry soap, maybe some scent beads. I always love to wash on warm water and the heavy settings. That's it. In this video, all you see me doing is wash, dry, fold, and repeat. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy. I like to go ahead and fold in between each cycle, so please tell me down below, what do you guys like to do? Do you like to do all your cycles and then fold at the end, or do you fold as you go along? I just want to show you guys that I love to clean out my dryer lint trap for every cycle or a couple cycles, because you don't want to cause house fires. Now that you guys have made it with me to my final load, I want you guys suggestion, because my channel has hit 1,000 subscribers, so I want to go ahead and do a 1,000 subscribers giveaway. So I want you guys to go in the comment sections and leave your suggestions. What should I do for the giveaway? What should I give away? And if I should make it just local or internationally, where everyone can go ahead and enter the giveaway. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, please go ahead and turn on that post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you never miss another upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.